Wow, ang galing naman. Comment from Leonardo Pugoy 25. What's up guys? This is Ron from Ronan. Paano kaya nasabi ni Sir na ang galing naman? So tara, samahan niyo ako. So this is our current hair after shower. So ganyan yung top view niya. So manipis na talaga yung buhok ko. But with the help of this Topic Hair Building Fiber Powder and the Topic Applicator plus my brush, mako-cover up natin yan. First things first, shake and then spray. Lahat ng areas mainam na ma-sprayan mo para matakpan siya lahat. Third step, comb. So you just have to comb your hair para spread out yung fiber powder. Since pinagpapawisan ako right now, yan, punasan lang natin. Okay. Then let's check the aftermath. So you see the difference, kaya nasabi ni Sir Leonardo na ang galing naman. What are you waiting for? Order yours now.